Hello everyone, welcome to the Chef Belle's cooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this quick and easy and very delicious peppered beef. It's a Nigerian style peppered beef. It starts first with getting quality meat. So I bought this two big chunks of meat or beef from Costco, and I'm going to be using just one of it, okay? Because it's going to be a lot of meat. So just one chunk. You can see how much it is. And pro tip, take a look at this cutting board. It's a disposable cutting board from Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up. I don't know if I was trying to do a transition here, but it didn't work out. But anyway, this is the transition. Go ahead and slice it into nice thick slices before you cut it into little individual cubes. The cubes are going to look like this. I was able to cut up the cubes into, these are both of the beef thingies. So you see that some of it has some grizzle. That's okay to have because that's fat. It's delicious when it's fried. Remember that this is peppered beef that's going to be fried in oil. If you want to reduce calories, go ahead and throw away that fatty pieces. But I like to add that in because when it's fried, it's really, really flavorful. Before we get right into the recipe, I'm just demonstrating to you just how much meat this is. This is $41 worth of beef, okay? So let's get right into cooking our beef. So, I listed all the ingredients you need for spicing up your beef, and this is just one part of the beef with a very tiny, about a fourth of a cup of water. Remember, the beef releases its own juices. Go ahead and fry that. We're going to fry it into what I like to call frying dry. So you make sure you fry it until it's darker. Okay, this is not yet done. You can see that it's not yet fried hard enough. So my lovely mom is helping me cut up the onions. Thank you, mom. So we're going to be adding red onions and bell peppers and Scotch bonnet peppers as part of our, to make it very, very flavorful. So this is a demonstration. As you can see, this is now fried dry. This is what you're expecting. You want the meat to be a little more colored than usual. It's called being fried dry. It's very delicious. So as I said earlier, we're gonna have our Scotch bonnet. You can add as much or as little as you want, depending on your spice tolerance level. Go ahead and take the meat out of the oil and reserve the oil. I like to filter my oil and add back about 2 cooking spoons worth. I'll add my vegetables, which are my bell peppers and my onions and my Scotch bonnet, and give it a toss. So let that toss and fry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you add the spices listed below in the description. But I'm going to say just some thyme, some garlic powder, any of those spices that you like. Pro tip, if you have any leftover stew, which is Nigerian tomato stew, put in a cooking spoonful. Okay, it's not necessary, but it does add some flavor. Then take that beef that you fried earlier and toss it back into the pot. Give it a good old turn. Let the flavors simmer into the beef for about 5 to 10 minutes inside the pot, all on low fire. Okay, we don't want this on high fire because you don't want it to burn. And at the end of the day, you're gonna have this delicious, sumptuous, spicy, very flavorful party beef that you can use at any party. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe for more home recipes.